Hi guys, good morning. Today, I think today is a Wednesday or a Thursday. I got a message from the post office saying that the package I've been expecting for over 3 weeks now is in their office. I should come and pick it up. Guys, this package has got me like so worked up. I tracked it. When I tracked the package, it was giving me deadline of like over 3 weeks ago, and I've been to the post office in my area to check for the package, and they told me it was not there. At some point I actually lost hope in finding that package, and I kept on going back and forth with the brand that sent the package. But finally I got a call yesterday. Can you imagine? The post office that got the package is way too far from me. So now I'm just gonna go and pick up that package. I think that's all I'm gonna be doing for today. Yeah. So guys, just follow me. I think I'm gonna do a vlog of me going to pick up the package. I don't know, but if I can, I'm gonna leave the clip here so you can watch it. Why so beautiful? Why so beautiful? See Zikel, glam boss. Hey, 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 precious. You go. Right now. Okay, now describe
3, 2, go. Your time starts now. Surprise, are you paying attention?
I'm ready. I'm so ready.
Hey.
Stop wearing this. Stop.
Say hello to my video. Move away. This is cute. So guys, this is the end of the vlog. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.